Well, hello there. I'm Muffin the Maine Coon. Today, I'm going to prove to you that Maine Coons are lap kittens. See? Even though the book my parents read before I arrived said Maine Coons are not lap kittens, I've been trying hard to prove them wrong. I love it here. How did I get here, you ask? That's easy. I just go and explore somewhere Daddy doesn't want me to go until he picks me up. And voila, I'm on his lap. Very interesting. So this is what my humans look at when they sit at the table. You'll have to excuse me whilst I explore what Daddy was doing here before I arrived. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week.